students, how are you? I hope you will be fine, safe, happy in your homes. Okay. So in the previous lecture we have learned grammar, and now we are going to learn Invictus. We are going to start unit number 2. There is a poem, first poem, Invictus. Okay. Activities on page number 27 is reduced. जो एक्टिविटी है उसको रिड्यूस किया गया है. एक्टिविटी 7 पेज नंबर 27 इज रिड्यूस्ड. सो डायरेक्टली वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट पेज नंबर 28. Invictus poem. Invictus means unconquered, undefeated. Our soul is unconquered or undefeated. Means we should keep our soul unconquered or undefeated in any circumstances, in any situation. लाइफ में कोई भी सिचुएशन आए, हमारे सोल को हमें अनकॉन्कर्ड और अनडिफीटेड रखना चाहिए. ऐसा मैसेज हमें पोएम से मिलता है. जैसे पोएट हमें कहता है कि उसका जो सोल है वो इनविक्टस है. इनविक्टस है मतलब अनकॉन्कर्ड है. अनकॉन्कर्ड मतलब उसको कोई हरा नहीं सकता. ओके, so let's see first stanza. Invictus. Out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. So out of the night means there is darkness. Though there is darkness in my life, though there is darkness in his life, in narrator's life, okay, black as the pit from pole to pole, black as the pit, the darkness is as black as, okay, but the darkness is as black as the pit from pole to pole, means the narrator is surrounded by darkness. The narrator is surrounded by difficult circumstances, difficult situation you can say, but in that difficult situation also, or in that darkness also, the poet or the narrator thanks to God whatever he has given to him. Whatever the God has given to the narrator, to the poet, or for poet's conquerable soul, he thanks to the God. जो कुछ उसे मिला है, गॉड ने उसे दिया है उसके कॉन्करेबल सोल के लिए, उसके लिए नरेटर और पोएट भगवान का शुक्रिया करता है कि whatever you have given me, O God, whatever you have given for my unconquerable soul, I thank you for that. Whether there is a darkness in my life, though there is a darkness in my life, there is a dark situation in my life, the darkness is as black as the pit, but I thank to God for giving me whatever for my unconquerable soul. Okay, next stanza number 2. In the frail clutch of circumstance, I have not winced nor cried aloud under the blood goings of chance. My head is bloody but unbowed. Okay, so in the fail clutch. अब फेल क्लच का मीनिंग क्या है? वीकेड ट्रैप. though the poet is caught in a wicked trap of circumstances, though the narrator, the poet, is a victim of wicked circumstances. राइटर या नरेटर wicked circumstances का victim भी है. The narrator is facing wicked circumstances, or fail clutch means wicked trap of circumstances. He has not winced or crowed. He has not winced nor cried aloud, means the narrator has not complained about wicked circumstances. The narrator has not complained nor cried about wicked circumstances, though he is a victim of wicked circumstances. मतलब उसे बहुत बुरे सिचुएशन को फेस करना पड़ता है, फिर भी नैरेटर या पोएट कभी भी उसकी कंप्लेन नहीं करता है, उसके बारे में वो कभी भी दुख नहीं करता है। ओके, अंडर द ब्लड गोइंग ऑफ चांस, ब्लड गोइंग्स क्या है? वायलेंट बीटिंग विथ अ क्लब, वायलेंट बीटिंग ऑफ फेट। इफ his fate is violent, there is a violent situation, there is very bad situation in his life, his head is bloody, his head is hurt, he is hurt, but his head is not bowed, his head is unbowed. Okay, मतलब उसने किसी के सामने सिर झुकाया नहीं, he has kept his self pride, he has kept his pride sting, though his head is bloody, he has not given up, उसने given up नहीं किया है। The poet has not given up, though there is wicked circumstances in his life, though there is a violent beating of fate in his life, he has not given up, though his head is bloody, though his head is hurt or wounded, his head is always unbowed. Okay, second stanza is completed. Third stanza, beyond this place of wrath and tears looms but the horror of the shade, and yet the menace of the years finds and shall find me unafraid. Beyond this place of wrath, W-R-A-T-H, wrath means anger. Okay, so beyond the place of anger and beyond the place of tears, tears means hurting, sorrow, tears loom, but the horror of the shade means hardship, horror of the shade क्या है? hardship, तो उसके लाइफ में हार्डशिप भी बहुत है, horror of the shade, hardships. So though he is facing hardship, though the poet is facing hardship, yet the means of the years, so means क्या है? means is a threat, I think हाँ दिया है, meaning दिया है, means is a threat को हम कहते हैं धोखा। so yet the means of the years shall find me unafraid, means he is not afraid of the means or dangers in his life, उसके लाइफ में जितने भी धोखे हैं उन डेंजर से वो कभी घबराता नहीं है, या उसके लाइफ में कोई भी मतलब एंगर का प्लेस है या टीयर्स है, उसके बारे में भी या उसके होने के बावजूद वो कभी घबराता नहीं। द राइटर इज ऑलवेज अनअफ्रेड, दिस सिचुएशन ऑफ एंगर और हर्ट और डेंजर डज नॉट मेक हिम स्कैर्ड, does not make him fearful. Okay, the writer has hold his head always unbowed, and the writer or the poet is always not afraid, he is unafraid, or this situation makes him unafraid. Which situation? Hardships, weaker circumstances makes him always unafraid, he is not afraid of any of this situation. Okay, so third stanza complete हो गया। Now fourth stanza, it matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishments the scroll, I am the master of my fate, I am the captain of my soul. Okay, so it matters not means it does not matter, it does not matter how straight. Okay, straight means difficult, straight means what? Difficult. How difficult the gate of heaven, the entrance of heaven. So it does not matter how difficult the gate of heaven is. Gate of heaven, heaven में जाने के लिए जो entrance है, जो way है, वो कितना difficult है, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। It does not matter how difficult the gate of heaven is, how charged with punishment the scroll. Okay, how charged means how he has paid for punishments, punishment से कितना मिला है या punishment के लिए उसने कितना पे किया है। how charged with punishment, how many times the narrator has been punished for wrong actions, it does not matter How many times the writer has been punished, it does not matter. How difficult the entrance of the heaven, it does not matter, because I am the master means the narrator or the poet is the master of his fate. He is responsible for his destiny. He is responsible for his luck. Okay, whatever he does, he is responsible for his fate, and he is the captain of his soul. He is the main monitor, or he is the main person who is responsible for his soul. मतलब हमारे लाइफ में जो कुछ होता है उसके लिए हम खुद जिम्मेदार होते हैं. वी आर द रिस्पॉन्सिबल, क्योंकि हर कोई भी एक्शन होता है वो एक्शन हम करते हैं. ओके, सो वी आर द मास्टर ऑफ आवर फेट. हम ही हमारे नसीब के मालिक है, जिसे बोलते हैं कि आई एम द मास्टर ऑफ माय फेट. द नरेटर और द पोएट इज मास्टर ऑफ his fate, his luck or destiny, or he is the captain of his soul. Okay, so what does narrator say here? The narrator wants to say that though there is darkness in his life, though there is hardships in his life, though there is a sorrow, there is difficult situation in his life, though there is a place of anger in his life, though there are threats in his life, though there is a wicked trap of circumstances in his life, but the writer has not given in front of these situations. The narrator ने given up नहीं किया है. The poet has not given up. The narrator has not given up. He has held his head high. Okay, he has held his head unbowed. He has not given up. Okay, and though there is a difficult, it does not matter if the gate of heaven, if the entrance of heaven is difficult. It does not matter, or how many times the narrator has been punished for wrongdoings. It does not matter for him, because he knows what he is doing. He is the master, means the narrator is the master of his fate, and he is the captain of his soul. Okay, तो ये पोएम हमें क्या मैसेज देती है कि हम हमारे लाइफ में जो कुछ करते हैं, हमें पनिशमेंट मिलता है, रॉन्ग डूइंग करते हैं, या हमारे लाइफ में डिफिकल्ट टाइम आता है, सॉरोफुल टाइम आता है, या वीकेड सिचुएशन आती है, बहुत ही मतलब वीकेड तरीके से हम किसी भी सिचुएशन में, सर्कमस्टेंसेस में फंस जाते हैं. वो हमारे लिए एक जाल होता है, ट्रैप होता है. तो उस समय भी, इन डिफिकल्ट कंडीशन में भी हमारे मतलब जैसे कि सेल्फ, जो हमारा रिस्पेक्ट है, सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट को हमें एग्जिस्ट रखना चाहिए, उसे मरने नहीं देना चाहिए. वी शुड कीप आवर हेड हाई विद सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट. ओके, वी शुड नॉट सरेंडर, वी शुड नॉट गिव अप. हमें गिव अप नहीं करना चाहिए, हमें हारना नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज आवर सोल इज ऑलवेज अनडिफीटेड, आवर सोल इज ऑलवेज अनकॉन्कर्ड. हमारा जो सोल है, हमारा सोल ऑलवेज अनकॉन्कर्ड होता है, अनडिफीटेड होता है. ओके, क्योंकि हम ही हमारे नसीब के मालिक है. वी आर द कैप्टन ऑफ आवर सोल, ऐसा पोएट ने यहाँ कहा है. आई एम द कैप्टन ऑफ माई सोल मीन्स आई एम द रिस्पॉन्सिबल, आई एम रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर माई सोल. ओके, तो हमारी पोएम तो कंप्लीट हो गई है. सो पेज नंबर 29 पे पोएम के रिलेटेड कुछ एक्टिविटीज है, जिससे आपको पोएम अच्छी तरह से समझ में आ जाएगी. चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. पेज नंबर 29, एक्टिविटी फर्स्ट. चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ए, आउट ऑफ द नाइट दैट कवर्स मी, ब्लैक एज द पिट फ्रॉम होल टू होल. इसका करेक्ट मीनिंग कौन सा है? मीनिंग है थर्ड. द सर्कमस्टेंसेस आर एज बैड एज दे कैन बी, विथ नथिंग टू होप फ्रॉम any corner. Okay, though there are bad circumstances and though there is no hope, there is a hopeless situation in our life, we should not surrender, we should not give in. Okay, second example. In the failed clutch of circumstance, I have not winced nor cried. Means इसका correct option है second. I have not expressed my grief even when I had to suffer great pains. Means the writer has not expressed his sorrow, the writer has not expressed his grief even when he had to suffer great pains. ओके, तो पेज नंबर 29 में हमने दो एग्जांपल्स देखे हैं, बाकी के एग्जांपल्स हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे। थैंक यू।